Hi friends, I am Noor. In this tutorial, I will show how can make a password protected on your username. This user, I am use this user, not password. Today we will show how can make a password. Okay, this password have or not. That's why we click Control Alt also delete from keyboard. Control Alt delete and log. And friends, we can see Nurmohammad Engineer. This is the username and just sign in. Click this PC I can be login, but this is not password protected. Now I'll show how can make a password protected on your username for laptop also desktop. That's for we need to go the this PC and right click on mouse and go to the manage. Okay, from manage we click the local user group. We click the in there. Okay, and go to the users. Okay friends, I'm click the users and we can see this username Nurmohammad E, that means engineer. This username is there. For password protected, we just right click on mouse and click the set password option. Just right click on mouse and click the set password options and process and give in there your password. Like I'm giving there is 123 and same password put in there 123 and press is okay. Okay, this password has been set and press is okay. Okay friends, our password is put in there is successfully. Now this user is password protected. How can check? That's for we need to go the Control Alt D from delete from keyboard. Control Alt delete from keyboard and press this sign out option. Okay, I am sign in. Sign out option is press and just we click this user and there is cannot log in without password. Now we need to press on password. Okay, we are put the password is 123 and press we can see is there, this is the password 123 and press is there. Okay, submit. Friends, you can see after password putting we can successfully log in. Without password we cannot log in. This is the most important for you because your PC need to protect it. Without protected any file can be losses, any person can be put your file also can be deleted. That's why your PC must be need to protected your password. Thanks for watching. If you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. Next tutorial I will show how can make a administrative user also power user. Thanks for watching.